G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm working on this jade tree. This jade tree, I did a video on this a year and 2 months ago. It was a cutting that I potted, so it's had a year and 2 months to grow roots. But now I'm going to repot it into a nicer pot and then get rid of some stuff we don't need. I figure this tree is roughly about 5 years old by the time that it's taken for this trunk to grow. And yeah, we'll get into it. Now, I believe I put CDs in the bottom of this, so I should have some nice flat base on this, I'm hoping. I don't want to just yank it out because I don't know just how many roots have developed. There we go. Well, it's got some roots there, so that's good. Well, it's a bit strange in here. I've got a whole side that's not grown any roots at all. Which is going to make it a lot wobblier in the pot because I don't have as many roots to tie down. I can feel it. It's very loose, but we'll manage. Sure. One CD. Two CDs. Okay, so it has given it a nice flat base, but it's funny how the roots have only grown on partial. It doesn't feel like it's rotted, so I'm hoping it'll develop more roots now that the CDs are out. I'm hoping, but anyway, there you go. That's going to get potted in, and we got a nice root here that can be left to grow and develop and be a nice structure on the top of the soil of the tree. A few other roots that look not too shabby. So yeah, there's that. We'll get it into its next pot. So I've got myself this little pot for the tree. It's basically my last proper bonsai pot that I got. I think that's the front of my tree here. I think I'm burying it a little bit deeper than I would like, but because I've got lack of roots, I think I want that. I do want to cut this one root. It's too long. So I want this angle. Which means I'm going to have to use a brick on this side to support it for a while. I also wouldn't mind it further this way in the pot, purely because it's got more growth going out that way. So we'll do that. So I think that's it for this tree now. I think it's looking good. I'd like to see some growth come out there. That will help give this tree balance. We'll see how that goes. Sure there will. Just probably not where I really want it. But yeah, otherwise I think that's good. I've put sinkers on some bits, and I've wired some other bits just to help bring them up. I don't think it looks too shabby. And yeah, we'll just let it go now, and we'll see how it looks another 6 months or so. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.